demonetize. He have only 5 long video. No, not long kasi only one ano, something like that. Is there a magic? But he have a lot ano, he making a lot live. It's itchy at my back. Naiintindihan nila kaya yung sinasabi ko. Ay, nako. Ang ganda naman dito. Grabe, nakakatakot. Ang taas. Swing New Zealand sunflower. Hindi ako magsiswing dyan. Ay! Mahihimatay ako niyan. Yeah, I'm scratching. It's itchy. Sir Sede, magla-live ka na. Lumalabas dito sa newsfeed ko yung mga ano mo, mga ito 110k views. Tube well batting breakfast and sighting nature. Sir Sede, nandiyan ka pa? Grabe, 110k views. 1 year ago. Sana all. Grabe yung views mo. Ang galing. Paano ko kaya yun? Ito 61k views. Napanood ko na to. What you will plant in your new garden? This one then. May kambing. Naglabas siya. You will plant vegetable in your garden, Sir Pramod. Pin me, please. Okay, I pin you. Yeah. Not now. 216k. Grabe talaga. Puro libo-libo pinag-uusapan dito. Bakit ganon? Sana all. Wait, after me. Okay. What you will plant? Thank you so much, Sir Pramod. Uy, naka 3 hours na pala ako.